Today we're going to do a 50,000 mile service on this 2019 Toyota Rav4. We find during the service that the battery is dying, so it gets replaced as well. The first thing we're going to want to do is to jack up the car safely. Make sure your jack stands are level with each other and in a similar place on the vehicle.
Sometimes I still hear your voice. It's telling me you'll catch my fall. So how do I feel the ground? I wear my heart, you wear a crown. Wish I wasn't late to know. Stars don't shine when there's only satellites. I feel like hell and you're in paradise. I'm so glad and yet I'm not. I was too blind to know. I fell harder than I thought when I fell.
Let's take off the cover that protects the oil pan, and we'll get access to the oil filter as well. Remove the drain plug. And now remove the oil filter. I clean off the mounting surface of the oil filter before installing the new one. We have to take off the wheels to rotate the tires. Here is installing the drain plug back. And putting the cover back on. This vehicle takes 4.8 quarts of oil. I put 0W16 in. Now, if you heard from the way it started, it's pretty slow to start. When I tested the battery voltage, it was at 10.5 volts. So it's pretty low, and this battery's been in this car since we purchased it back in 2019. So it's over 4 years old. We got a pretty good life out of it. Let's replace that next. I take the negative terminal off first, then the positive, and then I take off the battery tie down. While here, clean out the battery tray before putting the new battery in. And the new battery came with some terminal cleaner or terminal protectant, so I add that to the terminals after connecting them. Thank you for watching.